Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This is a 4-month video on a dude that's my age, who's Iranian, and has relatively fine hair. Didn't he have something done before?
Yeah, he had, well, yes, he brought pictures of...
That's right. He'd had a hair transplant or 2 before.
Yes, dos.
And this is what he looked like. Here's a picture while we argue this out. Here's what he looked like when he got here. I'd forgotten he'd had 2 hair transplants.
Yeah, so he brought pictures. He said how it was looking good, and then the results went away. But it wasn't the results went away. They placed in between, and he lost his natural hair.
Right. That's a big problem for people that don't shave or trim their hair down. They'll come in and they'll say, "Oh yeah, we can fix that spot. We'll put it here." And then what happens is you put 12 hairs in there, and you miss the holes on 6 of them, and so 6 hairs go in, and then you lose the rest of the hair, and you got 6 hairs on top of your head.
Yeah.
And that's what happened to this dude, most likely. And so once you've had 1 or 2 that don't work someplace, then you're completely neurotic that it's not going to work here. And man, this guy took a lot of hand-holding from you, right?
Yes. Like I said, I get attached to everybody. But he came in the 4th month, and I was stepping out, saying goodbye to somebody, and he comes in, and he is a total changed man.
Yeah, he was kind of a nervous, skittish fellow before, and this has changed his whole demeanor on life.
Yes, it has.
And so he did this little video. He does not want his face shown, and so here's a video.
He's well known too.
And remember, 4 months.
Yes, 4.
And his before picture is up. Before picture after 2 hair transplants elsewhere is up to the right.
And he really thought that was it.
Here's the video.
Because my ex was now I'm doing this, so
okay.
I don't. Yeah.
All right, Steve, how old are you? I can't remember.
I'm 54.
So we're about the same age, and you came in, and your before pictures are up to your right. And don't say the name of the doctor you went to before, but it was a reasonable doctor, and you had 1 or 2 cases before. I can't remember.
2.
2. And so we did 2,100 grafts on you right around Thanksgiving of last year, 2020. And you walked in today, and you're a little under 6 months, and you look good. Bend over one time. And let's see, hang on, this light's in. And you look good. I told you you're probably 45% grown. I think Wendy said 40. Who knows? I mean, you never know how good it's going to get. But you got finer Middle Eastern hair, but it's a doggone significant improvement from where we started. Chin back up again. Was I up front with you? Did any surprises or?
No, it was very methodical, very thought out.
And I know you worried a lot moving into this, and I'm not a big hand holder, but we kind of guided you through it. Was that reasonable?
I think you guys did a fantastic job of taking care of things. All these visits were really, I think it made the difference in the end results.
All right, well, we'll see. So again, you're a little under 6 months, and on you redo guys, it takes 14 or 15 months. So we'll see you around Thanksgiving, and maybe we'll be doing something next Groundhog's Day. But let's wait and play by ear. Thanks for coming.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Awesome.
So what do you think, woman?
He looks really good. I'm telling you, it's nothing to see the hair. It's only 4 months, so he's not fully grown. But it's just the change that has made
in his personality.
And yes.
Yeah.
And so that gives it even he looks vibrant now.
Yeah. And of course, at 4 months, he's like, I'm happy with what it is now. And it's like, wait another year because it's a redo.
Yeah, it's a repair.
Yeah. So the guy lives reasonably close somewhere in.
We'll be seeing him.
Yeah.
Yes, he's really happy. Yeah. It has changed a lot, and he was very nervous. He did a lot of research. He's gone through, thinking that something was wrong in his head because he had lost his previous hair transplant results.
Yeah.
And I'm sure he'll be thinking, it's going to grow, it might go away.
Yeah.
But it's not.
So, in summary, we do a lot of repair work. Usually it doesn't start working until about 6 or 7 months. This guy was lucky that it started earlier, but it's expected. It will work better than 9 times out of 10. This guy's working a little quicker than expected for no reason whatsoever.
Yeah, everybody's different. I think,
Yeah. If we can help you, give us a call.